The League of Legends new update May 31st May 2024. This update comes with the Spirit of the Hearth-Home with Aurora and Ornn. So how do you complete the task and how you collect the materials? Now I am showing in a short video. So you have the collection system. So first you can go and check there is different doors, and from that doors you enter in the inside the room. So in the library room you check all these things I have written here, uh, step by step, 1 2 3 4, all these things you have to collect there. And there is the task. Volibear bookshelf is here, on bookshelf is here, and Syndra bookshelf is here. In these three bookshelf you have to arrange the book. Then I go to the courtyard. Courtyard, after pressing one, then the ice melt and all this become reddish. Then you collect all these things, and after that you go to smelter, and there is a task in the smelter, stone task here. So you collect all these things from smelter, and lastly from workshop you collect all these things by clicking your mouse. I have already shown here. So after that you go to the task here, the tool task, you will check here all these items you just press and place here. Then this will show this kind of screen. This task is complete. And then you go to the stone task. You put the stone like this serial, and after that this aurora will come from this stone task. And finally the bookshelf task. There is three bookshelf: volley bookshelf, Ornn bookshelf, and Cinder bookshelf. You have to arrange with these following picture. Then this will complete, and like this it will change with some aurora. Okay guys, thank you. In a short video I think it will be helpful for you. Bye bye.